wholeness and balanced vibrations. I would like to share with you a transmission inspired by the great Advaita saint Adi Shankaracharya in India. And you can use this either as something that you can listen to on awakening in the mornings, or just as you're falling off to sleep. I am not the mind, nor am I my intellect. I am not the ego, nor the reflections of the inner self as chitta, consciousness. I am not the five senses. I am beyond that. I am not the ether, nor the earth, nor the fire, nor the wind. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss. I am pure love. I am pure consciousness. Neither can I be termed as energy or prana, nor 5 types of breath, nor the 7 material essences, nor the 5 coverings, as the different koshas. Neither am I the 5 instruments of elimination, procreation, motion, grasping or speaking. I am indeed. I am the eternal knowing. I am eternal bliss, love, and pure consciousness. I do not have any hatred or dislike. I also do not have any affiliation or liking. I do not have greed or delusion or maya, nor do I have any pride or feelings of envy. I have no duty, nor any money, nor any desire for liberation, because I know I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, pure love and pure consciousness. I have neither virtue nor vice, as I do not commit sins or good deeds, nor do I have happiness or sorrow, pain or pleasure. I do not need various mantras or holy places, scriptures or rituals or sacrifices. I am none of the triad of the observer, or one who experiences. The process of observing or experiencing, or any object being observed or experienced. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss of pure love and pure consciousness. I do not have fear of death, as I do not have death. I have no separation from my true self, no doubt about my existence, nor have I any discrimination on the basis of birth. I am not the relative or the friend. I am not the guru nor the disciple, because I am indeed the eternal knowing and bliss, love, and pure consciousness. I am all-pervasive. I am without any attributes and without any form. I have neither attachment to the world nor to liberation as mukti. I have no wishes for anything because I am everything. I am everywhere, every time, always in equilibrium and wholeness. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, pure love and pure consciousness. Unattached am I, unattached am I, ever free from the attachment of any kind. I am of the nature of existence, consciousness and bliss, known as Sat Chit Ananda. I am the very self, indestructible and ever-changing. I am eternal. I am pure. I am free from the control of any maya or illusions. I am ever liberated. I am formless, indestructible and changeless. I am of the nature of infinite bliss. I am the very self, indestructible and changeless. I am of the nature of indivisible, concentrated bliss. I am the very self, indestructible and changeless. I am the indwelling consciousness. I am calm, free from all agitation. I am beyond maya and illusion. I am the nature of eternal bliss. I am the very self, indestructible and changeless. I am the Supreme Self, beyond all the categories. I am the Supreme Auspicious One, beyond all those in the middle, as I am beyond Maya and illusion. I am the Supreme Light. I am the very Self, indestructible and changeless. I am beyond all the different forms. I am of the nature of pure consciousness. I am never subject to decline, as I am the nature of bliss. I am the very self, indestructible and changeless. I am the inner controller. I am immutable and I am all-pervading. I am myself, the Supreme Self. I am the very self, indestructible and changeless. I am without any support, and I am the support of all. I have no desires to be fulfilled, because I only intend. I am the very self, indestructible and changeless. I am free from the three kinds of afflictions, those in the body, those from other beings, and those caused by higher powers. I am different from the gross, the subtle, and the causal bodies, as I am the witness of the three states of waking, dreaming, and sleeping. I am the very self, indestructible and changeless. Unattached am I. I am unattached, ever free from the attachment of any kind, as I am the nature of Sat, Chit, Ananda, of my truth, existence of my consciousness as bliss, because there is neither Maya or illusion, nor its effects such as a body for me. I am beyond the three gunas of Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. I am the witness. I am that I am. I am the auspicious one, the inner light, because I am the outer light. I am the indwelling light, higher than the highest, the light of all lights, as self-luminous, the light that is the self. I am. So hum. Sat, Chit, Ananda. Wholeness and balanced vibrations.